Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable judges and audience, first of all, let's give thanks to Allah, the creator of the whole world. Ladies and gentlemen, we live in a country where the nation has a high number of youth, which is reaching 37.8% of the total population, or the equivalent of 83.16 million people in our country, Indonesia. We all know youth is a milestone or key to the development and change that occur in the nation for the future. The time keeps running. Even in this new era, the future is still a mystery. The future can be a bad thing or even the good one. But I think every nation deserves a bright future. Then, how to make it real? That's the reason why I'm here. Let me to introduce myself. I'm Zafira Media Mulyana from Senior High School 2 of Cianjur, and today I would like to talk about the role of youth for the nation. Youth, our young generation, are individuals with dynamic character, a group of souls who are turbulent and optimists, but have unstable emotional control. World Health Organization call it as young people category for those with an age limit of 15 to 24 years. The historical national civilization, youth is a very expensive national asset. It seems whatever is related to the state of a nation, the youth are always involved. Well, it's because the judgment of a nation is set from the quality of its youth, because youth are the successor of the nation and state. The youth actually have a strategic role and function in accelerating development, including in the process national and state life. Why? Because they are the foundation of the younger generation who have a strong physical and mental, new knowledge, innovative, and also have a high level and creativity. This condition make the youth actually have an important role in nation building and as the nation's successor. Without the role of youth or young people, the nation will find it difficult to experience change, and it will also be easy to lose the national identity. So, what are the role of youth to make a big change to a nation and even a world? Firstly, they can become agent of change. This means the youth have a role to be at the center of the progress of the nation itself. In this case, this can be done through the provision of change in community environment. It can be national or maybe international toward a better direction in the future. Secondly, agent of development. The youth have a role and responsibility to launch or implement various kinds of development. Thirdly, agent of modernization. Every youth must have the ability to analyze the changing times. They certainly have a big influence to a nation, so that they can choose which one really need to be changed and which one should be maintained. So ladies and gentlemen, do you realize now how big the role of young people? And then fourthly, building education. We all know education is a foundation of various kinds of role. Without a good and strong education, the youth will find the difficulty in carrying out their role as the next generation of the nation. And then fifthly, building up spirit. Having a high fighting spirit, elementing the characteristic of giving up easily, maintaining the unity and integrity of a nation are the characteristics that every youth must have. Some of our effort to increase the potential of the youth can be by encouraging them to make a decision and directing them to their talent and interests. The youth bear the price and dignity of the nation, especially in the international world when the competition and colonization of the national identity can take place in the various fields of life. So, ladies and gentlemen, are we going to keep quiet and waste the potential of this nation youth? Think again. What contribution do we make to this nation? Well, these young people will do it. They will contribute and make the nation proud in the future. Together, we develop the potential of youth to present a bright future for this nation. In conclusion, the youth have important roles, which are become agent of change, development, modernization, building education, and building up the spirit. All of this role resulted significant change to the nation of ours. Well, that is for me. Thank you for your attention. I hope my speech will be useful. I'm sorry if there are any mistake, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.